Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. It's been a while since I showed my face on camera, so I'm afraid I've gotten a little camera shy, but we're getting over that. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I made this beautiful fake cake for pretty cheap, and it's also a little box that you can use for your jewelry. I made this because I wanted to use it for a photo shoot. I'm currently just done with the photo shoot, if you haven't noticed. I did a little photo shoot for my birthday because my birthday is on February 29th, so I'm turning 6 this year. So yeah, let me show you how I made this, and then also I'm going to show you a little behind the scenes of the photo shoot that I did and the final result. So to start off, you will need a heart-shaped box. I got this one with a pair of Valentine socks, which is very convenient. You'll need some filler or some spackle, which I got for pretty cheap. Some icing bags to make the textures. And with them came these attachable rings, which you can use for different textures and different kind of icing. I also have these fake roses, which I thought would be perfect for fake whipped cream. Some spatulas. You can also use a plastic knife. And these used ice cream trays. You will need a bowl that you can throw away afterwards. I couldn't find fake cherries, but I think these will do. I started out by taping off part of the box so I know it would be able to open and close still. I didn't want to spackle everything together. I would actually like to use this as a jewelry box. And I have some different paints to make some beautiful colors, mixing it with the spackle. And then all what's left to do is ice your cake. I actually think this is the most fun part. It's very satisfying. That's so good. I should start a bakery, but I'm terrible at cooking and baking. I still want it to look like a cake though. I feel like if I make it too straight, it will just look like spackle. I was really trying to recreate one of those vintage cakes, so I was trying to make really red spackle, but the spackle immediately turns it into pink, so I settled for a very dark pink. Now at this point I ran into a little problem with my spackle. It was kind of too thick. I had to put a lot of pressure on the back in order to get some out. And that's also what you'll be seeing me struggle with in the rest of the video. So if you can, I recommend getting a thicker spackle and a thinner spackle, or maybe just settle for the thinner one. At this point it was already too late for me to run back to the store, so I just settled on struggling. I'm using these pearls from an old necklace that I had, and I feel like they bring out the vintage vibe that I was going for even more. The decorating part was so satisfying. I have to be honest with you, I did redo the top of this box at least twice, just because I was trying out different designs, didn't like them. It's easy to scrap your design, so if you mess up, you can always, take off the spackle and just restart your project. It's maybe good to have a inspo picture of what you want to make first, so you don't have to improvise and you're less likely to mess up. And now that my fake cake is finally done, I let it sit for about 24 to 48 hours just to make sure the spackle is really hardened and it doesn't break off easily. So I haven't really been on camera for like over 3 years, so I'm afraid I've gotten a little camera shy. There's a lot of projects that I do want to do. Like I really want to do some lookbooks because I really got into fashion. I also got into sewing, so I sew some of my old clothes and stuff like that. I really want to do content like that. I just need to get into it again. So yeah, this was a good practice. I think this cake turned out really good. It didn't turn out exactly the way that I wanted to, but it's just a fun DIY to do. It's kind of like trust the process. Like sometimes I thought I would mess up, and I did redo this like at least twice. But you know, it was worth it. It's fun trying new things, and I'm not a pro in every DIY that I do, but I do have a lot of fun, and that's what it's all about for me. I changed my background. I don't know, my room is a mess anyway, so might as well give you something nice to look at. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Happy birthday to all my Pisces. Let me know when is your birthday and if you're doing something special. I am going to a botanical garden with my friends for my birthday, so that's what I'll be doing. I wish you all a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.